Hello, CNC router users. Today, I'm thought of giving you some information regarding the CAD CAM software is an essential thing for running a CNC router machine because a lot of complicated profile when comes in without the CAD CAM programming, it's very difficult to take out the NC codes to run the CNC router machine. So CAD CAM software, how it contributes towards the productivity of a CNC router machine. That is the point that we want to discuss today. You know, this CAD CAM, that is computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing software, greatly enhances the productivity of a CNC router machine. How it do is by streamlining the designing to the manufacturing process, because whatever the design what we do, whether it is a 2D two-dimensional design or 3D designs, whether we want to create a mold or die or directly engrave or mark or making a 3D profile or cutting a part material using a particular design, if you have to a proper streamlining of these informations that is there in the CAD software, because the informations of the dimensions and everything will be available in that particular CAD model, whether it is a 2D model or 3D model, what all the information is available. And if we have to do a machining in a particular way, that we do the help of a CAM part of it, CAM module of this CAD CAM software, where we give the different dimensions for, we give the different manufacturing parameters, manufacturing and machining parameters, like what kind of tools we want to use, what are the different kinds of operations we want to do, and depth of cut, and the feed rate or speed of the machine, what all this kind of the machine parameters also, if you want to give, we can give in the CAM software, and we can create a file which contains all these informations and fed into the CNC router machine, so that it will run according to our requirement. So that proper streamlining is happening because of this CAD CAM softwares. There is a number of CAD CAM software available in this world, and we can integrate these softwares according to our machine's control software, so that done by the manufacturer or the CAD CAM software provider. So that what we leave it to them. What we have to see that how it's going to help for the productivity of a CNC router machines, the CAD CAM software. So and simultaneously it will help the business owner also to improve the productivity of the work what he does with the CNC router machine. So overall business productivity also improved because of this. So first is design efficiency. That is, if you use a CAD software, you can make a precise and complex designs with this help of the CAD CAM softwares. So CAD software help to create intricate and high accuracy designs that are hard to achieve manually. So this reduces errors and also rework, and also it's saving the time. Then what is the advantage is that once you do the design, we can reuse it. That is design reusability. Once a design is created, it can be easily modified and reused for future projects. So cutting down on the time needed for redesigning. That is the other advantage the design efficiency brings in. The third one is 3D visualization. So in CAD software, you can the designers can visualize the final product in 3D before it is manufactured, helping to identify the potential issues before machining. So this is the other advantage of having a CAD software. Then other one is automation in machining. When you create the tool path that is for which this CAM software is used, it automatically generates the optimal tool paths which are the instruction for the CNC router machine. So this minimizes the manual interventions and ensures the accurate and the consistent result from the job what the CNC router machine does. Because the CAM software, when we post process with the particular post processor for the CNC controller, automatically the tool path, that is the NC code which created by the CAM software, can be easily read by the CNC router machine. And in CAM part, it also reduces the setup time. So CAM software can simulate the entire machining process. The simulation also is available once you done what all the tool path operations, all the parameters is given. Then you can calculate the tool path, and you can also see the simulation of the tool path, which allows the operators to anticipate the problem, and also reduce the trial and error setups, and also optimize the machine settings. And also he can have the idea what's the output he is going to get after the machining. And in some cases there is automated nesting available. The CAM software often including nesting capabilities. So what is the plus point of nesting capability is that it reduces the material wastage, that is optimizing the material usage by arranging the parts to minimizing the waste. This reduces material cost and time spent on cutting. So this is the other advantage of using the because of the CAD CAM software. Then reduction in errors. So you know that there is a simulation and testing is available in CAM software. Users can simulate the machining process, detect the issues like collisions, tool breakage, or material waste before actually machining the material. Machining starts. Then in the post-processing, CAM automatically translate the designs into the machine readable codes, that is called G codes, and ensuring the accurate executions and reducing the risk of human intervention. And also any human error that generally comes up when you do the manual coding, when you are writing the manual code manually, CNC codes manually, NC codes manually, then there is chances of having a lot of errors. So these also got reduced because of the automatic post processing with the specific controller file. The other advantage is that it's optimized cutting time. So you can have faster machining by using optimized tool paths and cutting strategies. CAM software can reduce the time it takes for the CNC route to complete the job. So you have different machining options are available. So if you do it in an optimized way, you can reduce the timings for cutting, and the quality of the cutting also you can control because of that. And also you can use multiple tools, and you can optimize the use of these multiple tools. The software can efficiently manage tool changes and speeds, which improves the overall efficiency and reduces the machining downtime. Then it has an improved workflow integration. It has a seamless communication. So suppose CAD CAM software provides a smoother handover from designing to manufacturing. It reduces the time and effort needed for manual translations of design into machine instruction. So CAD CAM software seamlessly integrate all this information up to the end where the machining actually takes place. What are the informations available in the CAD software? And the cloud and collaborative working workflows or the working environment in some CAD CAM software platform, it has that kind of cloud-based solutions, enabling the team to collaborate more efficiently and access the files from anywhere in the world. So that is also very important to the reduced time for sharing information and data. So at one place itself, they can take decisions and execute the job. And the other advantage is that it's reduction in the labor cost. Definitely fewer operators are needed. So automation in the CNC router operations, fewer operators are required to manage the multiple machines. This leads to a reductions in the labor cost and allows the skilled workers to focus on more complex tasks. So other advantage of having the CAD CAM software for CNC router machine, it has capable to do more customization, and it has more flexibility. It can go for on-demand productions, that the ability to quickly switch between different designs and parts, and make CNC routers with CAD CAM software ideal for customized and small batch production. That is the much more important for because of the CNC router machine. Even if you want a single piece, you can easily execute using a CNC router machine. It's also quick prototyping. CAD CAM softwares allow a quick prototyping can be done because of CAD CAM software systems allow for a rapid prototyping, enabling faster iteration cycles and quick design to production transition. So you can, using CAD CAM software, you can try different sizes, and also you can just simulate and find out whether this is properly coming out or not. Like that iterations work you can easily do in CAD CAM software and find the right result is coming or not. So you can easily build a prototype or anything in a very easy manner. And if you are for the direct productions also, it helps for a quick production. So overall, what we have to say is that CAD CAM software improves the productivity of a CNC router machine by optimizing designing process, automating the tool path generations, reducing errors, and shortening the machine times, improving material efficiency, machining efficiency, and enabling seamless workflow integration. So these combinations of factors results faster production, reduced waste, and improved overall efficiency because of CAD CAM software. Because of this, the CAD CAM software improves a lot on the productivity using a CNC router. So thank you very much for listening this video. I am just giving you some out of box knowledge, because the productivity is very important thing, and many people will have understood that it's really works well, but how it works well, they would not have thought much about it. So the CAD CAM software has a very important factor improving the productivity of a CNC router machine. So thank you for watching this video. Please come back and watch more informations related to CNC router machine. Thank you very much.